In a world obsessed with eternal youth, one man stands out for his quest to conquer aging. He calls himself the most measured human. His name is Bryan Johnson. For Johnson, the first step in his anti-aging journey was creating a personalized plan. He didn't do it himself. Johnson hired a team of experts to analyze every aspect of his health, from his diet and exercise routines to his sleep patterns and stress levels. Johnson underwent a battery of tests, including genetic screenings, blood work, and cognitive assessments, to gather precise data about his health and biology. Armed with this information, Johnson's team crafted a bespoke regimen that addressed his unique needs and goals. So, what's the point? The point is his personalized plan, which is only suitable for himself. From tailored workouts and customized meal plans to mindfulness practices and supplements, Johnson embraced every aspect of a personalized plan. But what about the rest of us? We don't have millions of dollars to spend to turn back the clock. We can't hire 30 plus doctors and health experts. We can't afford 100 pills every day, and we don't have the time or resources to measure every aspect of our health. We are not Bryan Johnson. Can we still combat aging? The answer is yes. Johnson's journey starts with a tailored plan, and our journey starts from uncovering personal wellness code, which is the same thing. And it is the core principle of my teaching program. Well, Bryan Johnson has the resources to pioneer the cutting-edge technologies, but we can tap into our natural ancient wisdom to craft our own plan. You might think you know yourself better, but research shows only 10 to 15% of people truly meet the criteria for self-awareness. How about understanding our bodies? The truth is, nobody truly understands it, even if we do at one point. But our body and health constantly evolving. Understanding our body is a lifelong journey, and what we need to learn is the skills of how to know our bodies. What is the body? The body comprises the physical, mental, and spiritual aspects. It is the same as our health. It concludes what we intake, including what we eat, what we put on our skin, what signals went into our body, what we absorb from the world. It concludes what we do, our actions, attitude, and exercise habits. And it also concludes what we think, including mindset, spiritual growth, and soul elevation. From those aspects, we can develop skills to know our bodies. The first is an auxiliary way to get the basic health data from physical checkups. Number two is to communicate with your body. Learn to listen to your body. You can receive the feedback through meditation, communication, and Zone 2 training. Number three is to explore the effects of your diet on your body, skin condition, joint health, flexibility, pulse rate, even bowel movements can provide valuable feedback. Number four is to assess your mental load. Cultivate methods to declutter and clear your mind. Number five is to tune into your heart to gauge inner peace and joy. Number six is to monitor your energy levels to measure your overall health. Of course, besides those 6 methods, we have many other techniques in our program. I will gradually introduce them to you in future videos. Once you know your body well, you can tailor a personalized plan like Bryan Johnson. However, the plan is not fixed because our health condition evolves over time. That's the reason why Bryan Johnson needs to hire over 30 doctors and health experts to tailor his plan. And what we can do is learn to understand our body and to craft our own plans accordingly. You might ask, how about measurements? Yes, in the following episodes, I will dive into more aspects with you. In episode 2, we will customize our meal plans. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe and share. Your click is more than just a click. It's an opportunity to spread the health tips to more people. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.